So, and then what if I want to order this, right? Order by 2, right? Order by 2, that means the second column, and then I want to say descending, right? I want to see the top ones, right? So this will tell me, okay, so unknown is actually the most, as the highest count, and cardiology second, you know, internal medicine, right? So this is great, right? And then I can actually only look at, say, top 10 of these, right? I don't need to look at everything. Oh, there's, oh, okay. So top 10 is not, you can't use top 10. You might have to do limit 10. So this is just like something that you need to, oh, yeah. So this, because we're using SQLite, so you have to use limit 10 as opposed to top 10. That's the difference between, you know, different SQLs, but almost the same. So, okay, so now we're just looking at top 10, right? You can actually see this, you know, the top 10 specialty with the physician count. That's great. Okay, now let's say I want to join the two, right? Because remember, physician has the specialty, but procedure doesn't have the specialty, but both have the ID, right? So how you can join two tables is like, okay, I can do select star, selecting everything from all two tables, and then I will specify the first one, which is like physician, right? That's our table. I call it A, right? So this is alias, right? And then join procedure, which is B, on A.ID. Remember, this is the ID, physician ID that's coming from physician, is equal to B.physician ID. So this is to tell you I want to use physician ID from B, ID from A to join these two tables, right? So this is the inner join. That means a record, like ID has to exist in both tables, and I will display it, right? So if you look at this, right? Okay, so this will tell you, okay, so ID, specialty, right? So physician ID, all that, right? So great, so it worked, right? So from here, what we can do is, okay, what if I want to just say, you know, I want to do the same thing, right, in here, but I want to count, right, based on the specialty, I want to count the number of procedure code, right? So I want to count that code. So for every specialty, how many, right, distinct, I should do distinct, right? Because distinct, that means like you don't want to count the duplicated ones, right? Twice, the same code twice, right? So then if I do this, right, and then I need to do the group by, whenever you have the count or the sum or any aggregation here, in your select statement, you have to group it by, right? Have to have the group by, right? So if I have in here, so then let's look at this. Okay, then this will tell me, right, cardiology has like the highest 154 distinct procedure codes. That's interesting, right? And then plastic reconstruction surgery is like 10. Okay, that's great. So I mean, this is kind of like how you can join the two tables and do like some sort of aggregations, right? So what if I want to say, I don't want to do like just inner join, right? This is join, when you do join, that's the same as inner join, but I want to do left join, or you know what, let's do right join. That means I want to grab all the records that exist in procedure in my right table, but if there's any missing ones, right, in the physician table, the left table, I still want to display it. So right join, right, is just telling me that I want to grab all the records from my right table. And then left join is to say I want to grab all the records regardless of the matching, right, from the left table. So that's, you know, that's pretty much it. So right join, okay, so it's called right outer join. It's another like SQL, full outer join, right, okay, I should do full outer join. Okay, so while executing is the test urgent are not currently supported. Okay, so I mean it could be the SQL thing, but you know, this version of it. So, but you just have to know that there are many types of joins. Okay, I mean that's pretty much it. And once say you get to, you know, some, you know, like this, right? You can actually say if I don't want to do the count, I can do this, you know, basic stats in here, but I want to say save this result that I get, right, from here, and I can save this as a CSV. I can export it, right? I can then, you can just like copy and paste, right? Copy and paste the CSV, and then you can do the analysis. You can do the analysis on your, you know, on your notebook, right? And then fit a model. So that's it. Thank you.